Hi loves, my name is Stephanie. Welcome to my YouTube channel and my first YouTube video. So today I'm actually going to be doing a Fashion Nova try on haul, which I'm super excited about. I haven't really looked at any of these pieces besides ordering them, so I can't wait to show you guys. If you guys like what you see, please like, subscribe, and leave your feedback on the comments below. So let's get started, you guys. Okay. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. I have the poker face long sleeve front top. It's in a mustard color, and the size is medium. Let's see here. I got this for $15, and I didn't pay full price on this. I actually got this during 4th of July weekend, so I got a pretty good deal on it. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I like how it feels. It's very cute too. So I'm gonna actually pair this with the Essential Mom jeans. Got this in a waist size 29 because I'm a little curvy. Super cute. And I actually got these on sale as well. I got everything on sale. Let's see, these ones went for $20.99, so that's good. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and try these on together, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I have the long sleeve polka dot shirt on. I like the fit. It feels pretty comfortable. However, these strings are like super long, but I mean, it's cute. You can just like double tie it more, so that way you can kind of like shorten the strings. The quality actually feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap, so I do like that. As far as the bra area, honestly, I don't really have anything as far as boobs, so I wouldn't wear a bra. I probably would, just wear some like nipple covers and some boob tape just to kind of help that area, because as you can see, I'm kind of exposed. The Essential Mom jeans, I love the fit around the waist. Let's button it up here. See what I mean by the strings? They're like getting all in my way. By the way, this is not a sponsor by Fashion Nova. I'm totally just, doing this on because I love their stuff. So let's see here. See, it buttons up pretty easy. And by the way, the quality and the fit of these jeans are like perfect. Like, I'm already obsessed. Actually, okay, this is a 29 in the waist, and I think it fits good. What do you guys think? So here's the first outfit. Here's the back and the side. I like it. So as far as this fit, honestly, it's so like, you can do so many things with it. You can wear some heels and make it really dressy, or you can also make it cash and just throw on some shoes. I'm actually gonna put some heels on right now for you guys so you can see that. Okay, so with some heels, like that's pretty bad. I actually like it a lot. So this is how it looks with the heels. Dressy, but still cash. And if you want to dress it down, I'm not gonna try on any tennis shoes for you, but you can put on some cute sneakers. So that's the first look. So with this outfit, will I keep this? This is definitely a yes outfit for me. Like I said, the look of it, it feels good. The quality feels good. I mean, there's just a few little things, just the strings that are like really annoying. But like I said, you can definitely just double tie it. And the fit of these jeans, I mean, kind of like slims me out. It makes me look a little skinnier. So that's always bonuses in my book. But, oh, and their jeans, honestly, Fashion Nova is really good for having jeans fit curvy women like me. So, all my curvy women, try these jeans. They're super cute. Okay. So the next top. What is this? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So the next one I'm gonna try on with these jeans, since they're so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try on this another shirt. It's the poker face front tie top. This is in a size medium and the color is white. This one is $12. Let's see. They make things so difficult though, so open. Oh, it was so wrinkled that you couldn't even see it. So I'm gonna try this one on for you guys. Ooh, I already like this because it's short sleeve. This is the polka dot short sleeve. I'm actually filling this one as well. I wouldn't wear this bra with this top. As you can see, it's very sheer. But it's cute. It's light. I do like the quality of this as well. And with these mom essential jeans, I think it's pretty badass. Am I allowed to curse? Super cute. Actually, you can wear this dressy and casual with like some cute tennies. Like you can do either one with it and not go wrong. And see, here it is. Like again, I would not wear this bra with this top at all, but here's the back. Yeah, it's super cute. I'm gonna actually put on some heels because I am a heel chick and just kind of show you how that looks dressy. So here's the outfit with the shoes. I actually got these heels from Misguided. They were on sale as well. I believe I spent like $22 on them. So this is like seriously like a brunch day outfit. Or even just going out. Like I will wear this literally just to go run an errand. So this is the outfit. And I think it's cute, guys. I just want to kind of look closer on the shirt so you can kind of just see that again. And there you go. Alright, so I am about to actually try on a couple more pieces. This one is the Keep Them Tied top. How funny, right? Keep them tied. This I actually saw a girl wear with no bra, so I'm actually probably going to do the same thing. Happy I don't have much going on up here. This is a size medium, and I got this for, let's see here, $11.99, which is really pretty inexpensive. I'm also going to try them with these shorts. A lot of girls are pretty much wearing them right now with Fashion Nova, this particular style. These ones are called Yes Now Distressed Bermuda shorts, so I'm really excited to try these on. And I'm going to go ahead and try this on for you guys. This is a size medium. And the price for these are $24. So that's actually a pretty good price for these. So I'm gonna try both of this stuff and I'll be right back. So here's the outfit. I'm liking the fit. It actually feels pretty good. I can see why Fashion Nova calls them Keep Them Tied, because literally like it's just a string holding them. For this, I would definitely wear like some tape, boot tape, just to kind of keep them in and from me being exposed. The quality of it feels really good. It's very thick and very comfortable. These Bermuda shorts are super cute. I'm wearing a size 7. I could have went a size up if I wanted them a little bit more loose, but like a 9. But the 7 is actually fitting quite snug. Here's the detail of the back. They have a lot of cuts, so you are getting some booty. But it's super, super cute, guys. I love the fit on these, by the way. These are very comfortable. Even though I'm wearing a size 7 and not like a 9, like I said, for the looseness, it is still quite stretchy, you know? So I'm not like super like uncomfortable. It's still really cute. But I'm liking it. Yeah, I'm gonna actually put on some heels so you guys can kind of see it dressed up. But this can also be cash dressed down. So let me put on some shoes and then I'll put on some heels. So here it is, like just very cash, like super cute. Just having some Vans, not sponsored by them anyway, and Fashion Nova not sponsored by them as well. As far as the distress in the back of the shorts, you do have to be careful with the type of underwear you're wearing. I'm okay with what I'm wearing because I'm wearing a thong, so it's fine. But you don't want to wear any like granny panties or, you know, like briefs or bikini panties, because They do show they're very see-through. The color of this shorts is a medium blue, the wash. So it's not light and it's not dark, it's in the middle if you can tell. But like super cute. So for me, I probably would just wear the shoes because it's so open everywhere, as you can see with the back. I mean, if you're super bossy and you're super like chill and you feel like you can wear a heel, by all means do it. But like, it's super see-through, so I think I would be cool just kind of having it just super cash. And that's that. So the next outfit I'm about to try is actually a two-piece set. It's called Sundays Are for Brunching. This is a size medium and it's in the color taupe. I'm gonna try it on for you guys and see how this looks. So this is the Sundays Are for Brunching two-piece outfit. Super cute. The price for this, by the way, you guys, was $22.79. It's super cute, very flattering. The fit is very comfortable as well. It has a stretchiness, so ladies, you don't have to worry about going up in size in this. You definitely can just wear the size that you normally wear in this. The color is taupe, and this is a size medium. We have some frilling right here in the front that really kind of like accentuates your chest area. I do have a smaller chest, so ladies with the bigger boobs, you might want to tape it down a little bit, wear some tape just to kind of keep them in place, but there's really not a need for a bra. Super cute. I won't be wearing this anytime soon, of course, but yeah, I'm gonna try on some heels with this so you guys can get the full look of the outfit. So I'll be right back. All right, so here's the heels with it. Super chic, right? The heels, by the way, are from Aldo. I don't remember the name of them. I've got them a while back, but I just think the black complements the taupe color of it very well. My dog wants to be in the video. Say hi, Peppa. But yeah, it's super cute, right? So honestly, this is probably one of my favorite outfits. Again, I won't be wearing this anytime soon. Of course, with pandemic, there's no brunching, but get this, you guys. I'm really feeling this one. I did want to mention the Guess Now Bermuda shorts that came in a medium wash. Those actually had no pockets. So like, honestly, there's no pockets. It's just the look, the distressed look, the tear look in the back. So if you are one of those people who likes pockets in their stuff, especially jeans, you don't want to get those, but I'm okay without it. So this is the last outfit, guys. So everything that I wore today for you guys will be mentioned in the description bar below. If you guys like what you see, please subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up, and leave any comments or feedbacks that you guys like about the outfits or would like for me to do in my next videos. Thank you, guys. So guys, please also follow me on my Instagram. It's at SheSteph. That's actually 2 S's, SHESSTEPH. Please leave me comments on that stuff as well so you guys can give me feedback on what you want to see more or less of. Thank you guys. Bye.